Welcome back from break, everybody. FBI Director Kash Patel says the agency has finalized a plan to permanently close the FBI's J. Edgar Hoover building in Washington, D.C. In a post on social media, Patel says employees will soon move to the nearby Ronald Reagan building as safety upgrades are already underway. The Hoover building has been the FBI's headquarters for the last 50 years. Patel says the agency scrapped a plan to move the new headquarters to Maryland, which he says would have cost nearly $5 billion and wouldn't have opened until 2035.